Techies, this is Jess from Non-Techie HQ. In this video, we will cover how to set up Square subscriptions. The subscription feature is available on all plans. If you are using the free plan, you will be able to send payment links for your subscriptions. But if you would like to sell through your Square Online website, you will need to upgrade to the $29 plan. To add subscriptions, we will first begin in our Square dashboard. We'll go to More from Square and go to Subscriptions. We will click Create a Plan. Here you'll be brought to the Subscriptions menu. On your left-hand side, you have Plans and Subscriptions. Plans is where you will be able to create a subscription plan, and then your subscriptions is where they are listed. So first we'll go to plans. You can click create plan. Plan name here. So I will say eyebrow wax. This will be shown to internally, not to your customers. Here you can see that if you wanted to sell the subscription, you will have to upgrade. So we can assign items. I'm just going to use one of them. So that is the item that will be used to create my plan. And then I can add a frequency: weekly, every other week, monthly, quarterly, twice a year, yearly. And I can have it set for after a number set of billing cycles that it will end, or I can hit never. You can give a discount of a percentage or an amount. And you can also allow your customers to pause their subscription. You do it by billing cycles or no limit to their pause. Then I'll click save. And now we see we have our weekly eyebrow wax. The item is a t-shirt, so it varies. And once you do it for a particular service, it will have a set price there, much like this one here. Then we will share payment link and the item and click share link. So you have a checkout link here, which you can edit your link. Here it is. This is how your subscription will show. It has the weekly for $99. Then it has the checkout. You can also do custom fields or tipping. And you can redirect to a website page or your website once their confirmation is complete. So I have the eyebrow wax here. So I can send the link, I could copy it, I could create a QR code, post it to Facebook, post it to Twitter, or create an email campaign. And all of the links that are set for your subscriptions can be found in the payment links. To reach your payment links, you will go to More for Square and type payments. And as you type, it will come up, create a payment link that will take you to your menu. So that is how you create subscriptions on Square. Now, if I wanted to add a subscription for a existing customer, then I can do the same steps, which I can go to subscriptions. I can also create here, select a customer down here, put a note in, use the location. I can set a start date, select the plan that I have for them. I have my billing summary here. When it starts, I can add a discount. I can add a service charge. I have a subtotal. If I wanted to add the sales tax, I can do that. It gives me the total. I can set a fulfillment method, add a shipping address if they don't have one already on task, or if you are doing something like a call and it won't be a shipped item, you can do no fulfillment. And then payment details, I can send an invoice by email or take their credit debit card with a file customer authorization, or send the invoice. And once I click save, an invoice will be generated and it will have it listed with all the details here. So here's my invoice. And in my subscriptions, I now have a active subscription in the amount and the last invoice information.